Hello everyone, this is our next video of ipsec configuration series. Today video we are going to perform packet capture on Fortinet side. So I will perform the packet capture on the port 3. So the traffic which is initiated from this 40.10 for the 30.10 using this WAN or ISP connectivity. So let me open the Fortinet Firewall. So I have already logged in on the Fortinet Firewall. I need to go network, then packet capture to perform the packet capture from GUI, graphical user interface. Here I will select the port number 3. Port number 3 is the LAN side of the Fortinet. I will apply the filter. Source will be 192.168.40.10, which is the LAN side of the Fortinet. I will say OK. Now this capture is not running as of now. So let me open this 40.10. This is the 40.10. I just quickly show that IP address also. Yeah, this is the 40.10. Now I will enable the capture using this. This capture is in progress. So we'll move to that and let's start the ping from the another side. I will initiate a ping 192.168.30.10 and let me try to download it to see the what we have captured it. It is opening on the Wireshark. Yeah, we can see the traffic is initiated from 40.10. It is going to 30.10 and the reverse response. So this is the LAN packet capture from the GUI. So we can stop this capture and OK. So now this capture is stopped. To delete this capture, we can delete it, select and delete it. So this is the part 1 where I can perform the capture using the GUI. Now the second part is I have click on this interface from the GUI itself, and now I'm going to another those browser. So this is the CLI of the Fortinet. So I will quickly demonstrate how we can perform this action from the CLI also. So there is the command diagnose sniffer packet. Interface will be any, and now I have to define my match host 192.168.40.10 and close it. So now it start listening on 40.10 with any interface, and just I will initiate the. Now we can see also. So this is the clearly 40.10 is sending ICMP request to 30.10. So the connectivity is fine and we verified the traffic using CLI also. Now I Control C to close this, and this is the packet capture using CLI on Fortinet. Now another thing, I need to see the traffic for port 2, which is for IPsec traffic. So for port 2, I will select the port 2 and filter. I will apply filter dot 2.2.2.1, 2.2.2.1. Okay. So this is filter I have applied. Now just go to the VPN tunnels. Let's say what is running on this. So what I will do, I will just do the bring down this VPN. Now let's click on the IPsec VPN again. Tunnel is down. So status is inactive. If you double click with the tunnel status here, if you double click it, it will go to the IPsec monitor, and where we can see the incoming and outgoing traffic. Now tunnel has been down as of now, forcefully. Let's back to the network tabs and the packet capture tab. Turn on the packet capture. go to the PC, Site VPN, initiate the traffic for the 30.1, which is the site A. Yeah, 30.a is reachable now. I have initiated ping from 40.10 to the 30.10 to bring the tunnel up. Let me again go to the ipsec tunnel. Tunnel is up now because I just quickly bring down once the traffic initiated from Fortinet towards the Palo Alto Firewall. If traffic flows, then tunnel will automatically come on online stage. Now let's move to the packet captures and we can see the what type of packet capture we have did. So let's stop the capture and download the thing. Download the Wireshark file so that the intention will be we can see the ipsec capture what was running on. So this is the DNS traffic totally. So what are the information is available? First thing, it is available on the quick mode, which is available for the phase 2 negotiations. And another is the ESP, it is also available. So this is the encrypted packets. If you want to investigate more on the packets, you can click it and you can see the other things. As this is encrypted traffic, you won't see the data inside this ESP. So we have learned all this thing on the theory sessions. So just like we did a capture for local traffic, we can simply perform the same action for the CLI also. So here we will say the diagnose sniffer packet, interface will be any, and then host will be, this will be the host 2.2.22221. So 2.2.2.1 and close it. Now so we applied the capture. We can see some of packets for the UDP also. So let's click on this and enable it. Yeah, these are, we can see clearly, this is the ESP packets which is encrypted on the tunnels, our LAN trap. So this was the video where we have captured the two way of the packets. First is the CLI based and second is the graphics based on the Palo Alto Firewall for the VPN traffic. So this is required for the troubleshooting only. So let's say you are in the situation where we want to troubleshoot related to the whether you are receiving traffic from another side or not, that your peer remote gateway. So you can perform this type of packet captures on your Fortinet firewall. On just previous video I have explained on the Palo Alto firewall to troubleshoot the issue. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button and subscribe the Firewall Expert for this type of videos. Thanks for watching Firewall Experts.